over that. There's no way he's making it through that. We might want to stay right here so we can help him out. I'm going back through that because honestly I feel safer going through that than I do through this. He's already nearly up to the bumper. South Track, I don't know where the road's at as well over there. If you want to do it, he's not being able to see the road. There's no
Alright, he's over. Let's go.
He's going to back this baby up and get a straight shot and get moving. Are we stuck? No, we ain't stuck. We got